Hello.
Welcome. Welcome.
Please
Welcome.
remain seated.
Welcome.
Stay calm.
Welcome.
And if you can, please enjoy the show.
Peace, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of We Don't Know What We're Doing on this channel, but we here uploading whenever we upload. I will be your host, Tay. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. I am excited to get into today's video because it is another cheap video. Real cheap girl shit. I hope you enjoy what I have in store for you today. And if it's not, just make sure you drop me a comment below or you give me a thumbs up or something, okay? Just engage a little bit with me. Thank you. I found some nails, some press-on nails. I found these press-on nails, to be specific. These. Look at how cute they are for $1, $1.25. So today's episode is brought to you by my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, because you know Dollar Tree went up a quarter now, so some items in there are $1, some are $1.25. I don't think they quite figured out how they're going to price everything yet. So yeah, we're gonna do our nails for $1.25. Oh, I feel like I look like that emoji. Why was I sticking my tongue out like that? So in order to do these nails today, we're gonna need a few items. The first thing you're gonna need is alcohol, some cotton balls. You're gonna obviously need the nails, which are on me, but if you wanna see the packaging, this is it. Let me tell you about this nail glue here. I do a lot of press-on nails, and this has been the best nail glue that I have come across probably in the past year. This is the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. You will also need something to moisturize and hydrate your hands. I will obviously be using my body butter. If you'd like to see more, just check out the links below in the description box. I'm going to start by putting on some body butter, something to hydrate my skin. Alright, now we're good and moisturized. Next, we are going to take care of our actual nails. Now I'm using alcohol to wipe down my fingernails and, remove any oils that are on there, especially after I just moisturize my hands. I'd already prepped for this, kind of. I had already trimmed my nails and filed them down recently, so they're already pretty nicely manicured. Oh yeah, they all look good. Here are the nails from the Dollar Tree. They're so cute. This is only a pack of 12, so if you find that your nails usually don't fit the standard shapes, this is not going to be a good pack for you at all because there's not a variety. But if you are like me and typically you'll be fine with whatever comes standard in a pack, then this is going to be good for you. So we are going to now fit the nails to our fingers. That looks pretty good. So these are my thumbs. I think these, let's see if these are gonna be in there. Now we are ready. They're all lined up and ready to glue. And there we have it. Our dollar store spooky gothy nails. I don't know, but they're cute. They're cute. So you can follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, and we'll do a check-in in a few days to see how these nails are holding up. Yeah. So they feel pretty durable. They don't feel like they're easy to break or anything like that. I love the matte. I love the color. I love the design. The matte does not pick up like oils and greases or anything like that. So there are no fingerprints whenever I touch. They feel like Catwoman. And I feel like, obviously I'm a cat. So thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode. And I hope you come back for future episodes and see whatever we get into. Just know that it's most likely going to be cheap because I am a cheap girl. Probably going to let you know every other video because it's my prerogative. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It helps boost me in the algorithm and helps me be seen by some other people. If you have anything that you want to say, you can drop down below. I will probably most likely cop another 2 sets. They had a really pretty pink and a really pretty like emerald kind of jade green. Let me know if you want me to do another video showing you those nails and I'll drop them. If not, follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter to see how long these nails last and how they keep up and all that jazz. Oh, duh. And if you have not subscribed, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for being here. I hope to see y'all again soon, and we're going to see what I look like next week. Peace.